growing up, one of my favorite things to do, me and my brothers actually, is we loved going to these three places where I grew up in Omaha, Nebraska. We loved going to Family Fun Center, W.C. Frank's, and Aladdin's Castle. And you might be watching this saying, what the heck are you talking about? What are these places? They are arcades. I'm telling you, we loved the arcade. We loved playing the oldies like Pac-Man or Centipede, Galaga. We even loved playing the new ones like NBA Jam, WrestleFest, The Simpsons. The list goes on and on. The arcade was amazing. In 1991, I was in the first grade, and I really believe that Capcom put out one of the best arcade games in history. It was called Street Fighter. Now, looking back on this, I really believe, in my opinion, my oldest brother was like Sam Brenner, Adam Sandler's character he played in the 2015 movie called Pixels. He was a beast at Street Fighter, the best in my eyes. Like, people would line up to play them. They'd put their quarters on the machine waiting for their chance to try and knock my brother off of his Street Fighter 2 throne. Hey, anytime I got a chance to play my brother, no matter what I did, no matter how many times I did it, no matter what I tried, I could never beat him because he knew every single move in the game. And truth is, man, I knew none of the moves. So I did what any younger brother would do. I found the cheapest character in the game, Street Fighter 2, Dawlison. And I made the choice to become a button masher. The act of randomly and erratically pressing buttons with barely having a clue as to what is happening when playing a game. The question is, could I win button mashing? Yeah, I could maybe win from time to time, but reality is I had no idea what I was doing. I was just pressing a button, trying to get something to work for the fight that I was in. Maybe by luck I could win, maybe by chance I could win. But the truth of the matter is I had no confidence because I didn't know what I was doing. You know what, if I'm being honest, I've even gone back to button mashing in leadership, in ministry at times. Just pushing random buttons, trying to make something work, not really knowing the moves, not really know if they'll work, just pressing buttons, hoping for the best. James 1:5 says this, "If any of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to him." Proverbs 1:20 says that wisdom is crying out from the streets, which tells me wisdom, truth, strategies, the plays, the moves that we need to make, they are available. And that's what this new show, Button Mashing, is all about. We want to give how-tos, strategies, where to start for emerging leaders, youth pastors, anybody who's wanting to grow. That's what button mashing is all about. So when you're up next, it's your quarter that's next in line. You'll have real moves that you can use to help you win in every sphere of life and in ministry. You can do this, and we want to be there to help you the best we can. So let us know in the comments below what kind of topics you'd like to be covered in this show called Button Mashing. I'm telling you, man, I'm excited about it. It's gonna be sweet.